Hi friends, Fern here with Fern Yoga and Wellness. Join me for a neck and shoulder stretch. So let's begin with one breath together. So breathe your arms up and exhale through your mouth. Okay, and now let's begin with some neck stretches. First, let's slowly turn our head from side to side. So inhaling as we turn and just feeling that stretch in your neck here. Okay, so inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale, and just soften your shoulders if you need to, and return to center. And this time we'll bring our ears down to our shoulder. So you feel that stretch here. Just looking forward and then pressing this shoulder down. So you feel just a little bit of tension. Okay, and now tilt your chin toward your chest. And let go of any tension you might be feeling there. Just continue to bring your opposite shoulder down. Okay, slowly return to center, and we'll do the other side. So bring your hand down to the side, turn toward your shoulder, feeling that stretch. Just pulling your opposite shoulder down for just a slight tension, no pain. Okay, and now tilt your chin down and continue to press the shoulder down and breathe, let go. Okay, let's return to center. Now let's do some shoulder rolls. So we'll bring our shoulders up to our ear and then roll them back. So inhale, exhale, and feel the shoulder blades come together. Opening the chest, inhaling and exhaling. Okay, let's go the opposite direction. So we'll bring our shoulders back, up and over. So this time you're feeling your shoulder blades separate. Okay, one more time. Okay, now we'll swim our arms back and forward. So inhale up and exhale. Inhale up, same arm, and exhale. So you can follow your arm as it sweeps to the back and forward, and just notice where you're feeling the stretch. So inhaling and exhaling. Inhale and exhale. So you're getting a nice twist here as well. Okay, one more time on each side. I think went the wrong direction, but that's okay. Exhale. Okay, now we'll switch directions. So this time we're gonna swim forward. So you feel that shoulder opening in the back. So we'll just alternate like we're swimming to the shore. So inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Okay, roll your shoulder back and just check in. Let's just pause, notice how our shoulders feel now. Okay, and then we'll do a couple more moves here. So this, we're going to sweep our arm up and feel that opening there. And then twist back. And then we'll bring it back forward, reverse the movement, inhaling up, twisting to the back, exhaling, and then reversing the movement. Okay, inhaling, exhaling, and twisting, and coming back, swiping our arms the opposite direction. Okay, one more time. Okay, let's pause here. Notice how you feel. And now we're going to come on down to our mat. So if you're sitting on a Zefu like I was, go ahead and take that down. All right, so we'll come into tabletop and then we'll bring our hips back like we're coming into child's pose. And we're going to bring our arm through. We're threading the needle. Okay, and from here, just roll back onto your shoulder. Should feel a nice opening there in your shoulder blade, and resting your head and extending your arm, continuing to stretch out your shoulder and breathe. So just notice where you're any stress or tension, any tightness, and let it go with each exhale. Okay, come on up and we'll switch sides. So sweeping your arm through and then rolling onto your shoulder, resting your head on the floor, and just breathe here. Extending the arm out to continue opening the shoulder. And surrender into this pose. Okay, slowly come on up. And then let's come onto our backs for one last final pose. Okay, so just stretch out and then just bring your shoulder up slowly and just let your entire body just open up here. And breathe. You can even have your knees up if your back feels a little tight, and just have them rest, your knees rest on each other. Okay, otherwise you can leave your legs straight. And bringing awareness to your shoulders, how they're feeling, if they're feeling more open. And feel free to do those movements again. And we can end here, or you can continue to stay in this pose. And thank you for joining me today. I'll see you next time.